Specialty Mustang here at Unique Specialty and Classics. All right, for starters, 2010 Roush Stage 3 Mustang Coupe. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile car, 24,231 on the odometer at the moment. This is number 31 of 106 Stage 3 Roushes made in 2010. I've seen a little discrepancy between 106 and 103 Stage 3s made in 2010. Let's put it this way, one of a few. Now, this is an original 540 horsepower Roush until it was tastefully modified. It now puts down 636 rear wheel horsepower and 607 rear wheel pound-feet of torque. So this car will get up and go. I'm going to try to hit on most of the modifications. Again, tastefully done. I will also have a sheet in with the still pictures with a list of them. I may not be able to hit them all, but let's see how we do. Obviously, beautiful gray metallic, flat black, hood stripe on it, Roush interior. We'll get to that in a bit. First, let me tell you where the still pictures are. UniqueClassicCars.com. That's going to be on our website. You can also just click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. And you can see this thing is really free of any major nicks, dings in that front fascia or the hood. And yes, this car looks as good in person as it does the still pics and video. Riding on those Stage 3 Roush chrome wheels. You can see the bigger Roush brake calipers, slotted rotors. All right, we're going to take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches also, and I'll get into a little bit more about the car. Of course, 4.6 liter Roush charged V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Now it also has a snow performance methanol injection system on it with a 2.5-gallon holding tank in the trunk. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. That's basically cooling your charge, giving you more horsepower from that supercharged engine. Interior appears to be all stock Roush. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run in just a bit. I'll also take a peek underneath the hood so I can show you some of the things we're talking about underneath there. It does have a BBR 3-valve camshafts and Ford Racing Cobra Jet 65mm throttle body. All right, so BBR 3-valve camshafts, and then the Ford Racing Cobra Jet 65mm throttle body. A VMP GT500 high flow inlet elbow for a TVS blower. JLT 127mm carbon fiber cold air intake. Coupe's long tube headers with an X pipe. It still has complete exhaust from the front to the rear, including catalytic converters. Aluminum flywheel. Cobra spec Stage 2 clutch. BMR adjustable control arms. When we get to the interior, you're also going to see interceptor gauges as well as a race light. Has a custom SCT tune. Basically, the modifications on this to the tune of approximately $10,000. And you can see around the rear of that car, paint, all in good shape. Coming down the driver's side, paint is incredible all the way around this car. If you like these specialty Mustangs, maybe you're into high horsepower muscle cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. And as you can see, all the way around this car, beautiful shape. What you'd expect out of a clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, and just a little over 24,000 miles is all. Of course, your modern amenities on the interior, from power mirrors, power locks, power windows. Power seat over here on the driver's side. Technician did note the power seat on the front tilt made a little noise. I did have it rocking back and forth, but there you can see it. It does make some noise on that front, up and down. Otherwise, back and forth is fine. Seat's in nice condition as far as the leather and that kind of suede insert. There's those A-pillar gauges I was talking about. We also have a boost gauge in the vent. I believe that is from Roush. Navigation radio. There's that 5-speed manual transmission. I think we need to start this up so you can hear it run. Incredible sounding car, especially under throttle. Actuator door click. That does go away as far as the actuator door. There's your navigation system working. Alright, now you're going to see a little bit of blinking on the video there. That's due to the phase of the camera. That is not happening in real time with me sitting here looking at that. Now you can see it. That is normal. Just phase of the camera. Otherwise, odometer that does not blink in person. May do the same thing up here a little bit. So here's an air to fuel ratio gauge. Also intake, manifold temp gauge, race light. I'm on top of the dash. Looks good. Sorry about that. Rest of the gauge is working. Fuel gauge, temp gauge, that was a cold start. Voltmeter, oil pressure, boost gauge over here. And tack. No service engine soon, engine check light, nothing like that. Give you a little idea how this thing sounds. Excellent sounding car. All right, as far as window tint, this car does have window tint on the sides and the rear glass. So know your local and state laws of the percentage darkness of window tints that you can have. Checking the still pictures, you'll see what I'm talking about. Let me go ahead and see if I can get this open with one hand. We do have Roush hood struts. There will be a brand new air filter that will go along with this. You can see some of the components that we were talking about. Nice looking engine bay. You're going to be able to see all the Roush badging in with the still pictures with the numbers. Number 31, I believe to be 106. Stage 3 Roush is produced in 2010 and then tastefully modified past that. The car will get up and go, not for the faint of heart or inexperienced. 2010 Roush Stage 3, clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Actual miles, 24,231 on it right now. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2010 Ford Mustang. This Roush Stage 3 has lots more power than you would expect. It is a very fun car. We've got a 5-speed manual transmission to play with that power with. And it sounds great too. Let's put the window down while I'm waiting for traffic. And wow, does it sound good. Okay, let's go down on the road. Loose a little bit second there. I had to let off. It is a very fun car to drive. The clutch feels really good. It's just right, and a nice short throw shifter. It feels good as well. I should put it in 5th. There we go. And we're cruising along about 55 miles an hour at about 1700 RPM. Nice and low. It's good for longevity. We have a turbo boost gauge on the left. We have air fuel ratio also up on the pillar. The fuel gauge is working less than half of a tank of fuel. The temperature gauge a little under half volts. And oil pressure also about half. Oil's a little over half, which is where you want it. Brakes feel good. Nice fat steering wheel. Good for grip. Corner's amazingly flat. There's just nothing wrong with this car. It's pretty much everything you'd want. Even the seats are not leather in the middle, so you won't stick to them. Nice looking bucket seats in this car. The stereo works great. Very nice Mustang with the Roush treatment. Take a look at all the pictures of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.